Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the action.
We literally came at the perfect time when, yeah, that happened. So, fortunately, he didn't hit it coming up it, but they're worried about going down, so they put race ramps and stuff. He's good.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, yeah.
You're good.
He's good. Oh, yeah. So right here we're coming up on the McLaren Senna, Jeffree Star's McLaren Senna, I believe. But this color, this Tiffany blue, looks absolutely amazing on it. But yeah, we just saw the Sabre. Oh shit, I think that's coming out after this. We have the P1 GTR next to the regular P1, and these two side by side look absolutely amazing. Guys, we haven't done this in a long time. We haven't gone to a single meet in forever. Let's check out inside real quick. We have the Sian, and we're about to see this for the first time on the channel. We have, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Lamborghini Sian, one of 63 in the entire world. Yep, this is our first time seeing this thing on the channel, and I have to say, it actually looks way better in person. So there's so much carbon fiber here. I really love what they've done with the color combo. It's so insane how many of these cars, these insane cars, just reside here in Southern California. Looks 10 times better in person. Hexagon patterns everywhere, and just the amount of carbon fiber. Hexagons here too, and everything. Jeez, just the amount of detail and the amount of carbon fiber. Like, look at these lines and everything like that. It definitely is crazier than the Lamborghini Centenario in terms of design. Just look at these lines right here and where the body lines are. Amazing. Yeah, one of 63 for the entire world right there. So question, would you take this or a Lamborghini Centenario or a Veneno? I'd take the Veneno. I'd probably take this. After taking a look at it for a good amount of time, I think I would definitely go with the Sian. It just has way crazier lines. It has just way crazier styling, and just the amount of detail to every single part looks insane. And then over there we have Mr. Mike Yin's Aventador.
Man, sorry.
What year is that? 2014? Right, Danny?
Man, sorry. Man, sorry.
Sorry, kid.
So after this, we're actually gonna go to Mexico, in a tunnel in Mexico, and test out. We're gonna get some tunnel runs, ladies and gentlemen, and it's gonna be so rad. Because for what's to come, because the Aventador is literally just a test to see. I can't say any more than that. We got Mikey Mike out in front. We're gonna head over to the tunnel in Mexico. Oh my lord, how loud that thing is. Oh jeez. Holy shit. You heard it right here, folks. The freaking Aventador. That thing is straight pipe to hell, and just, oh my god, it sounds like a freaking thunderstorm coming. You're trying to keep up with it. So we have the Lamborghini Aventador here. Boo, give me your money. And just the amount of like sheer volume this thing has is insane. Like, the whole tunnel was literally shaking. Eric's gonna hop into my car. We're gonna leave his car somewhere, and then yeah, we're gonna try to get some flybys and stuff of this thing, because that's insane. So this is a precursor to like some other insane stuff going on. But yeah, so Lamborghini Aventador with the
How to lose hearing 101.
How to lose hearing 101. Huh.
You want
What?
You want seatbelt?
You know when it's really cold out, you know what I like to do? I like to stand near the Aventador exhaust to warm up my hands. Oh man, this thing is so rad. I'm trying to see if I can. Oh yeah, it's so hot. Oh, that feels so good. I'm telling the viewers, the guys on YouTube, that when it's cold out, I like to put my hands near the Aventador exhaust because it's nice and warm.
Oh, put it here, because the fan is here.
Ooh, that's warm right there. Ooh, or even
A fan.
I don't want to. So right now we're behind Mike. We're gonna get some tunnel shots of the Aventador screaming through the tunnel. Oh my god, that thing is so. Go on the right, left side. Oh my holy shit! Wait, drop me off over here. We're in Mexico right now, testing out the tunnels. Okay, my focusing on my camera is absolutely terrible, but we are on the other side of the tunnel. This is the main event of this video. Hearing the Lamborghini Aventador scream through these tunnels in Mexico. I can already hear it at the end, and holy shit. I'm generally a good boy. This is probably the most illegal thing, if it is illegal, that I've ever done. Besides going really fast on the highway. I can hear it, like just, oh god, I can hear it.
How's it?
The most illegal thing that we've ever done.
It's totally illegal.
So we're taking a short break here from oh my god, just hearing that thing, I swear it shakes the entire tunnel, and you can literally hear it from the start, like right before he's even inside the tunnel. You already hear kind of like the rumbling, and then all hell just kind of breaks loose. It's insane. And geez, and it's a full IPE exhaust, and he took out the valve, so it's straight pipe to hell the entire time. Yeah. Oh gosh, the way this car looks at night, like we were driving on the highway, and you could just tell when he was behind people, people were like shitting bricks. They were literally moving out of the way. But yeah, I don't know if we're still gonna do a few more runs, but we're just going over the footage now, and it looks amazing. So we have a lot to show you guys when this vlog comes out, whenever it is.